Hey there, coffee lovers, what's up? Josh here from Alternative Brewing, and today I'm super excited to be diving into the world of AeroPress filters. Now, if you know me, you know how much I adore the AeroPress, and it is the perfect tool for brewing a delicious cup of coffee no matter where you are. But the filters you choose can make the world of difference to your brew. So in this video, we're going to explore the three main types of filters you can get for your AeroPress with paper, metal, and cloth. And we'll be checking out the different brands within each category and comparing them on the performances and their unique qualities. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly talk about why the filter you choose for your AeroPress is so important. The AeroPress is known for its versatility and ability to brew a wide range of flavors. But the filter you choose kind of acts as that gatekeeper, determining the clarity, the body, and the overall flavor of your coffee. And whether you're a fan of the clean, crisp flavor that paper provides, or the added richness and oils that metal filters offer, or the sustainable and reusable nature of a cloth filter, we're going to cover that all. So grab your favorite cup of coffee, sit back, and get ready for an epic AeroPress filter showdown. Let's do this. All right, let's kick things off with the classic paper filter. I'm talking about the standard filters that come with the AeroPress right out of the box. These have pretty much been that go-to choice for many coffee enthusiasts. Well, pretty much anyone who's ever owned an AeroPress. And one of the key features with using a paper filter is their single-use nature. Let's be honest. This makes them convenient and hassle-free, and it's easy to purchase a full year's worth. And then obviously, once you're done brewing, you're simply tossing the filter out along with the grounds in the trash or garden, and then you're good to go again. There's no need to worry about cleaning and maintenance of your filters. Now, in terms of flavor profiles, paper filters excel at producing a clean and bright cup of coffee. And the quality and the thickness to the paper filter will determine how effective that paper filter is at holding back sediment and oils. And when using paper, you can expect in the cup clarity and a crisp taste, which has always been the biggest seller for AeroPress over something similar like a French press, which uses generally a metal filter. So if you enjoy a lighter bodied and more delicate coffee experience, then paper filters are a great option. And you can pick up a pack of 350 genuine AeroPress paper filters. Genuine! These will set you back around $8, and that's around 2.5 cents per filter. Now let me introduce you to a fantastic third-party AeroPress filter called Acer filters. These filters are specifically designed to enhance your AeroPress brewing experience. And what sets them apart is their increased paper integrity, as they're almost 3 times as thick as a regular AeroPress filter is, which means they provide more even filtration, blocking out more sediment and still delivering a cup with exceptional clarity and a cleaner taste. And I must say, Acer filters do truly impress me with their performance, and they elevate that already great paper filter experience, but giving you that extra edge in clarity and quality in the cup without sacrificing on the flavor or the body. And they have been that choice for many AeroPress Championship winners in past years, which goes to say something. Now, you can pick up a pack of Acer filters. 300 will set you out at about $30, which is under just around 9.5 cents per filter. But if you are looking for a premium paper filter option, definitely give Acer filters a try. They are a game changer. So, with that overview of paper filters for your AeroPress done, let's move on to our next contender in the filter showdown. Strap in, folks, because things are about to get metal. All right, so metal filters for your AeroPress. These bad boys bring a whole new level of versatility and flavor possibilities to your brewing game. And unlike paper filters, metal filters are reusable, which means they are the most cost-effective in the long run. When it comes to metal filters, also, the micron size of the holes in the filter plays a significant role in its filtration. For the most part though, sediment will be a natural occurrence when using metal filters, as there are holes that go straight through the filter where small particles of coffee will pass through into your cup. Naturally then, the smaller the micron size is in the filter, the finer the filtration and less sediment that passes through. Even still, metal filters allow for a bolder and richer bodied cup of coffee, where oils are no longer absorbed or held back by paper fibers, and flavors found in the cup when using metal filters can shine through and also linger longer on your palate. Plus, the best part is you're not going to experience any of that paper flavor taint in the brew that can sometimes be present when using paper filters if you're not rinsing that paper filter first. And while there are several brands of metal disc filters available, one of the most widely used and trusted options is the Abel metal disc filter. And it offers two variants, with a standard and a fine. You can also get them in a combo pack. The standard disc has larger micron sizes to the filtration, which allows more fines to pass through, which results again in a bit more body and richness to the cup. On the other hand, the fine metal disc filter has a smaller micron size, providing a cleaner and more refined cup of coffee when using metal filters. And AeroPress? AeroPress have recently released their long-awaited version of a metal filter, which is a long time coming. This filter boasts a micron filtration size of 178 microns, offering that great balance between clarity and body in the cup. And it is a fantastic addition to the AeroPress family, and it's definitely worth giving it a try. However, it is in my opinion no better or worse than the fine metal disc filter from Abel for its performance. But let's now talk about the 10 mile ultra fine filters. These filters take things to the next level, and there are two options, with an F1 disc and an F2 disc. Here they let you know that the F1 disc is a 100 micron filter with 10,000 holes across the surface of the filter. And the F2 disc, this is a super fine micron filtration at 30 microns with 50,000 holes spread across the filtration surface, which is just crazy. Now, it's these tiny holes that ensure that all the undissolved solids and fines in your brew, which can add a little bit of bitterness and certainly sediment in the cup, they're completely held back, which results in a clean, and I would almost call pristine cup of coffee from start to finish. And you will discover a whole new world of flavor, and I found especially mouthfeel to enjoy in your daily brew when using a 10 mile ultrafine filter. And what I love about these ultrafine filters is they do strike that perfect balance between paper and metal filters, where you get the convenience and the reusability of metal filters without compromising on any of the favorable aspects when using paper filters. So it's like kind of having the best of both worlds, I guess. And I would easily say I've had my most memorable cups of coffee using the 10 mile filters. So whether you opt for the reliable and widely used Abel metal disc filters or venture into the realm of the ultrafine filters like the ones from 10 mile, metal filters bring a whole new dimension of flavor and richness to your AeroPress brewing experience. But buckle up, because we're not done yet. Next up, we'll explore the world of cloth filters and the unique characteristics that they bring to the table. Now, cloth filters for your AeroPress. Cloth filters bring a unique and distinct brewing experience to the table and offer a completely different flavor profile compared to that of either paper or metal filters. When it comes to using a cloth filter, one notable brand that stands out is Coffee Sock from the UK. Coffee Sock filters are made with a certified organic cotton. And here's where things get interesting. Unlike paper filters, cotton imparts no flavor on the finished brew, and this means you get that pure, untainted coffee taste without any papery notes. But I don't want to harp on about paper giving coffee like a strong flavor. It's really not like that, but in some terms, some people are concerned about it. Now, in terms of a flavor profile, cloth filters offer a balanced yet nuanced experience, where they do allow some oils and fines to pass through, which results in a fuller bodied cup with a bit more richness to it compared to that of paper filters. However, cloth filters have a slightly higher integrity of filtration than metal filters do, which ensures that the coffee remains clean and almost sediment free. Now, one of the key features of a cloth filter is, again, that they're reusable. And you get 3 filters in the pack from Coffee Sock, making them a cost-effective option in the long run. However, there is one downside to cloth filters, and that is that they require quite a bit of work to keep them clean and free of any mold, mildew, or lingering coffee flavors from past brews. And this can be a hassle, and it's one of the main reasons why they are somewhat unpopular amongst everyday brewers. But for those of you who are willing to put in that extra effort to keep these cloth filters clean, the unique flavor experience that they offer can truly be rewarding. And along with the Acer paper filters and the 10 mile ultrafine filters, these cloth filters are in my top 3. So if you're seeking that hybrid between paper and metal filters, where you get some oils and fines with a slightly higher filtration integrity, cloth filters like the Coffee Sock are definitely worth exploring. Just keep in mind the maintenance that's involved. Oh, and before we wrap up on this overview, there's just one more important tip that I want to share with you. When it comes to using paper filters, it is crucial not to grind your coffee too fine when using them. You see, paper filters, they have a certain thickness to them, and if the coffee grounds are too fine, then they can easily block up this filter and make it harder to press your brew out from the AeroPress. So make sure you adjust your grind size accordingly and aim for a medium to medium fine consistency that allows the water to pass through the grounds and the paper filter smoothly, giving you the best brewing experience and preventing any frustrating clogs. And with metal filters, you have a little bit more flexibility when it comes to adjusting your grind size, and grinding finer can result in a bolder, more intense flavor profile in the cup. However, it is also important to keep in mind that grinding finer may also lead to more fines ending up in your brew. So to find that perfect balance, you may need to make adjustments to other variables like water temperature, agitation, and brewing time. And experimentation is key here and has always been a fantastic part of the AeroPress anyway. Play around with these variables to achieve your desired extraction and flavor profile, as it's all about finding that sweet spot where you get the best of both worlds with richness and clarity. And when you find it, don't change a thing. All right, folks, I think we've covered the three main filters with paper, metal, and cloth. Each one brings its own set of features, flavor profiles, and certainly brewing experiences. Now it's up to you to decide which filter suits your preferences and brewing styles. Happy brewing, thanks for watching to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Almost forgot my coffee. Cold, but still delicious.